Are you stuck in a cycle of frustration, trying every diet and workout plan only to see little to no progress while still dealing with constant cravings and stubborn fat? You're not alone. I've helped thousands of women who felt the exact same way, burnt out, overwhelmed, and wondering if their bodies are even capable of change anymore. And if you feel like you're doing everything right, but your body still isn't responding, this is exactly why. The truth is, fat loss after 30 isn't just about calories in versus calories out. There's something much deeper at play. Your hormones, your stress, and what I call as an FDM practitioner, metabolic chaos. And today, I'm not only gonna break down exactly what metabolic chaos is, but I'm also going to share with you my top 5 foods to help eliminate cravings, reset your hormones, and finally start shedding fat and transforming your body. I'm also gonna be sharing my favorite recipes that helped me lose over 50 pounds in just 9 months. And for those of you who are new here, I'm Elizabeth with Elizabeth Ayler Fitness. I have my 4-year degree in kinesiology, my CSCS, I'm a holistic nutrition consultant, GAPS practitioner, and FDN, where I run hormone and stool testing for my clients all around the world. And I've been through this myself. I've been overweight, underweight, struggled with chronic gut and hormone issues, so I understand exactly what it feels like to be stuck. So what is metabolic chaos? Metabolic chaos happens when your body is overwhelmed by stressors from every direction: work, family, poor nutrition, lack of sleep, and even overtraining. And it's not just one issue. It's a combination of all of them that throws your body into a place of survival mode. And when your body's in survival mode, it starts craving quick energy, sugar, carbs, and constant snacking because it thinks it needs fuel fast. I see this all the time with my clients. It's like trying to run your body on empty while pressing the gas pedal at the same time. Eventually, something breaks down. That's metabolic chaos, and it's gonna keep you stuck. Now, here are the biggest contributors I see every single day. All of these impact your hormones, your cravings, your energy, and your ability to lose fat and build muscle. Now, let's break down the exact stressors that are driving this metabolic chaos and your cravings. The first is physical stressors: overdoing cardio, under-recovering, and not fueling your workouts properly. This drives up cortisol and increases inflammation. The second is nutrition stressors. I see so many restrictive diets cutting out carbs or fats, leaving your body underfueled. And this is one of the fastest ways to trigger cravings. But also, starting your day with just coffee, fasting your way through the morning, or having such a busy schedule that you never actually sit down and eat a real meal. This puts your body in a constant state of stress and drives more cravings later in the day. The third is emotional stress, balancing work, family, relationships, constantly running on empty, which raises stress hormones and drives more cravings. The fourth is environmental stress, things like toxins, poor sleep, and too much screen time, all of which disrupt your natural rhythms and hormones. And the fifth, and you know I love this one, is gut health, stress, antibiotics, and processed foods can damage your gut lining, leading to bloating, inflammation, hormone imbalances, and even stronger cravings. Because your gut is where you absorb nutrients. So when that's off, your body's constantly searching for more food. This overload, what I call metabolic chaos, prevents your body from burning fat efficiently and keeps you stuck no matter how hard you're trying. And here's what actually happens inside your body. When cortisol, your stress hormone, stays elevated for too long, your body shifts into fat storing mode, especially around your belly, while also increasing cravings for quick energy. It also disrupts your sleep, your energy, and your hunger signals, making it even harder to stay consistent. Quick example, if you're stressed at night, scrolling your phone, that raises cortisol and shuts down melatonin, which is why you can't fall asleep. Then Then you wake up the next day craving sugar and caffeine. And I see this play out all of the time. I had a client, Rachel, a busy mom, who came to me completely burned out. She was eating around 1,000 to 1,200 calories, doing tons of cardio, dealing with constant cravings, and still gaining weight. She felt completely out of control. Her metabolism wasn't broken. She was stuck in metabolic chaos. So instead of cutting more food, we focused on nourishing her body, healing her gut, and lowering the stress. Within 12 weeks, she lost over 12 pounds, eating more, and her cravings were gone. If she could do it with everything on her plate, so can you. Now let's get to the fun part. The exact foods and recipes to help you eliminate cravings, lose stubborn fat, and finally feel in control of your body again. These don't just help with weight loss, they fix the root cause of why your body has been stuck. The first one is protein. And if you're constantly craving sugar, this is usually where things are off. Protein is the foundation for fat loss, hormone support, and building lean muscle. One of the most powerful sources is grass-fed beef or bison, since they are nutrient dense and naturally rich in creatine for muscle and zinc for your thyroid and hormone health. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and boost your metabolism. It also has a 20% thermogenic effect, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. Most women are under eating protein, especially earlier in the day, which is why cravings hit so hard later. One of my favorite ways to do this is a simple taco night. I cook grass-fed bison with some sea salt. I love the cassava flour tortillas and build my tacos with guacamole, salsa. You could even grab a good store-bought one already made for you, and a little nutritional yeast on top. It's quick, satisfying, and the kind of meal that actually keeps you full and shuts off cravings. The second one is healthy fats. And this is the key for hormone balance and actually feeling satisfied after your meals. Your body needs fats to produce hormones, reduce inflammation, and keep your blood sugar stable, which all directly impact your cravings. You also need fats to absorb your fat-soluble vitamins, which play a huge role in your overall health. Some of my favorite fat sources are things like olive oil, tallow, egg yolks, Brazil nuts, flax, and chia seeds. One of my favorite ways to incorporate these is making a simple mix with nuts and seeds. I use things like hemp seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Shake them up in a mason jar and keep them on hand. I'll sprinkle it on salads, in my yogurt, on top of smoothie bowls, or just grab a handful and pair it with some fruit. Having that variety also supports your gut microbiome and gives you more diversity, which plays a big role in reducing cravings and improving overall health. And this is where most women start noticing their cravings drop. The third one is fiber and gut health. And this is where we really start getting to the root of your cravings. If your gut is off, your body will keep craving more food because it's not properly absorbing nutrients. Now, more fiber is not always better. I see a lot of women loading up with tons of raw vegetables and ending up more bloated, which can actually make things worse. This is where fermented foods come in. They help support your gut, improve digestion, and balance your microbiome, which directly impacts your cravings. One of my favorite ways to do this is a simple gut healing dip. I'll take 1 avocado, add the juice of a half of a lime, about a tablespoon of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of sauerkraut, and a tablespoon of the brine. Then I blend it until smooth. I love using the wild brine sauerkraut. They have a garlic dill one that is amazing. You can also use this as a dip with vegetables, spread it on wraps, or pair it with something crunchy like the Simple Meals or Mary's crackers. It's such an easy way to support your gut without overdoing fiber, and when your gut starts working better, your cravings naturally start going down. The fourth one is slow digesting carbs, and these are key for keeping energy stable and preventing these highs and crashes that lead to cravings. One of my favorite options is wild rice. It's actually a grass, not a grain, and it's higher in fiber and even has some protein, which makes it more stabilizing for your blood sugar. A simple way to make it is to take 1 cup of wild rice, add it to about 3 cups of water or broth, bring it to a boil, and let it simmer for around 40 to 45 minutes until tender. I like to turn it into a bowl with protein on the side and a little healthy fat added in. Or if you want something a little sweeter, you can do a simple version with about 1 cup of cooked wild rice, add about a tablespoon of chopped pistachios, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a little almond milk. It's easy, it's satisfying, and it keeps your energy steady so you're not reaching for sugar later. The fifth one is anti-inflammatory foods, and this is what really helps calm everything down in your body. When your body is inflamed, it drives cravings, fatigue, and makes it harder to lose fat. So by bringing inflammation down, you naturally start feeling better and more in control. Foods like berries, turmeric, ginger, and even my favorite, dark chocolate, can play a huge role here. Dark chocolate is also rich in magnesium, which supports your nervous system and helps reduce cravings. One of my favorite ways to do this is melting down a little dark chocolate with some coconut oil, dipping strawberries in it, and putting them in the freezer to make a simple dairy-free chocolate-covered treat. It satisfies that sweet craving without sending you into a full cycle, and something that actually supports your body instead of working against it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Elizabeth, I have so much going on. I don't have time for myself, let alone one more thing to think about. I just need this to be simple with my nutrition and my training. I get it. You're juggling work, family, and everything life throws at you. But here's the reality. If you keep pushing extreme diets, skipping meals, or doing too much cardio without addressing your stress, sleep, and gut health, your body's going to stay stuck in metabolic chaos. And that's when you keep dealing with the cravings, the low energy, the fatigue, and feeling like nothing is working no matter how hard you try. Your body's keeping score of everything: your sleep, your stress, how you're eating, how you're training. And if you want to lose weight and actually feel good, we have to address those core issues. Because to reach a healthy body, you have to create a healthy body first. If you're ready to take the next step, here's how I can help you. I work with clients all around the world through my 12-week whole body transformation. This program is designed to reset your hormones, heal your gut, and help you lose fat in a sustainable way without extremes. I worked with thousands of women who have lost anywhere from 5 to 40 pounds in just 12 weeks while gaining energy, confidence, and control back. If you're ready to start your health journey, head to the description below and fill out my application. I will be personally reaching out to set up a free discovery call to see if we're a good fit. And also, you can check out my client case studies in my case studies playlist, where my clients walk you through their full transformations, what they struggled with, what they tried before, and exactly what we did to help them finally break through and transform their bodies in just 12 weeks. If you like this video, check out this one here.